He's going to sell me from your lap.
Woo! I got wet then. No, Scooby, no, don't bite it.
Are we filming?
Go on, Scooby.
Are we filming?
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. No. How long do you want me to film for?
Like a minute.
Just film until he gets bored and lies down.
That's never going to happen.
Yeah, we'll be here all day.
Oh yeah, Mum.
Go on, Scooby. Go on, get it, boy.
I think we'll have to turn it off soon.
Oh, we know.
Grass is turning to mud. Do you want to go in and turn the hose pipe off, Morgan, now?
Okay.
Don't really want to.
Run!
I think you can stop filming now, Mum.